Ìtumọ̀, ìtumọ̀, ìtumọ̀. You see, the word "tu" means to unravel, means to open, means to unwrap, right? And "ìmọ̀" is knowledge, right? Because "mọ̀" is to know, right? So when you say ìtumọ̀, ìtumọ̀, the act of unraveling what you know, and that is meaning in Yoruba, right? So if I say, what is the meaning of this, right? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ eléyìí, right? That means break it down, open it, so I can understand it, right? So tú ìmọ̀, that means what you know, open it so I can understand it. So you say, what is the meaning? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ eléyìí? So what's the meaning of this? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ eléyìí? I don't know the meaning. Mi ò mọ ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀. Right. Mi ò mọ ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀. Right. So, do you know the meaning of this? Ṣé o mọ ìtumọ̀ eléyìí? Right. I don't know the meaning. Mi ò mọ ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀. Right. So, how do you say, can you explain the meaning to me? Boom.